Welcome back to the Pterodactyl 2005. Welcome to the premiere and my traditional good morning, rail fans. Well, not the morning when I premiere it, but it's the morning when I recorded this. 84 is approaching, 9:04. There is a few passengers waiting to hear at the station, so you just heard the horn. And yeah. Might wanna back up a little bit because this is the cookie guy. He might give me a birthday cookie, so we'll see it. I'm gonna probably back up a few steps. Well, I'm gonna zoom out, then get back up a few steps. I'm hands free.
784 doors views left hand side, St. Mary's. Okay, for doors left hand side of St. Mary's, up.
I'll zoom you guys out and give a few steps back in case he does something. Morning. No, nothing yet. We do have station stop, so might have a chance. I don't know. We're stopping a little close or far in. Oh, they're working behind the third one. Oh, so I'm definitely not getting one for my birthday. Up us. And away goes 84.
All closed and secured. Up. Low secured 84, thank you.
Well, they probably don't know it's my birthday. No honk. But it was a good smoke show, I can tell you that. Anyway, we'll see you for the next train. It'll either be 568, 581, or 87. We'll pause for a second.
Clearly advance to Stratford West.
And 87's approaching, same consist, and it sounds like some unknown is on for my birthday. Despite it being the same consist, which is not what I wanted. Oh, sounds like someone unknown is on here. Good. Yep, we are scanning on the new BC-125 AT. The VIA Intercity is programmed on here, although I programmed it via in-car to make it a little easier. As you can see, we are scanning out to see what we can find. I'll zoom you guys back out to the radio once we hear something.
That's 87 engineer. Just arriving Stratford. Okay, Fedora's right side on the stop. Right side.
Yeah, my DCS and CTCSS on here is on search, so you guys can hear it a little better. And the modulation is FM because that's what the railroads typically use. Hopefully we'll get some birthday shout out on the radio. Because it is that day. We might hear it. Like I normally would, and we get to hear the BC 125 AT's first ever crossing dedication. For the first time ever, we get to hear it on the BC 125.
And 87 doors off road, then take a door. Okay, thank you.
Location 8861, crossing activated.
I told the engineer myself. Away they go.
Happy birthday. Bye, Kate. Have a good day.
Yeah, I told him to stay. No problem. For watching this video, please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you guys next one.
Location 8861, crossing deactivated.